Okay, hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So, I'm Tanmoy Bosu and I'm
Okay.
from Bengal, Birbhum, West Bengal.
Oh,
And please give me your introduction.
okay. As you know, my name is Chandraja and I am from Jharkhand. I have done my graduation BCom and I am pursuing MCom second years. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching videos like BBC on TEDx channel, and my future I want to become a CA. That's it.
Good, good. Wow. So, I'll tell you something from my why I have started my YouTube channel and what is the purpose of speaking with others, speaking with strangers. Basically,
Yeah.
I'm an English teacher. I have been teaching my students, higher secondary students, for about maybe 10 years, more than 10 years. And now, see, my mother tongue is Bengali, and most of the time, I I teach them English through Bengali language.
Yes, yes, I'll
Yeah.
teach them.
Like suppose your mother tongue is Hindi, so
Yes,
if you have been studying in or if you are studying
yes,
in your vernacular
yes,
schools,
yes, yes,
then the teachers will give you the grammars or everything in Hindi, and you will understand it. But
yes,
then in 2020, when lockdown came and our school was closed, at that time I thought, how can I uplift my skills? I know that I can write a little bit, I can teach my students about the grammars, about everything, and also I can speak. Not
yes,
really
yes,
that I didn't speak earlier, no, not, but I fumble. I have to find words sometime. That means earlier I have to think in Bengali, then I translate it in my mind, then I
yes.
can speak.
It is not habit English speaking skill.
Yeah. Then and it is a very very much needed skill, and you have to
Yes,
get that.
yes, it is part of life. You will get English. You know English. You will improve your uh, mm, post.
Yeah. So that's why then I started my YouTube channel Simply English, and
Okay.
also I have enrolled in Cambly and also Clappingo. And
You
from the
you had joined family.
yeah.
What about how? What is? Can you suggest? Can you tell me, Camly?
Yeah, Cambly is a very good app. You know,
Yeah.
if you want to if you want to speak with the native speakers, then Cambly is a very good app. It is not cheap. It it,
Yes.
it, it is not cheap, but you can get satisfaction.
Yes.
You when I have first enrolled myself in Cambly, at that time I thought that is it okay for me or how can I get? Suppose I just speak with the native speakers, what
Yes.
type of benefit can I get from that? But after speaking with several tutors, and they are so helpful, and also
Yes.
another thing that like you, we have we have spoken with each other without any
Yes.
preparation. It is impromptu.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
similar thing is there also, and you can also there are some course is also there. You can follow that course also. So I will suggest you to get just for like suppose 6 months in Camly also.
How many months did you join?
Yeah, maybe I have joined from like last December. So December, January, February, March, April, May, June, 7 months.
You have subscribed.
Yeah,
You have subscribed 10 months. Continue.
yeah, yeah.
Uh, how much money did you pay family? You know.
Uh, See, I at that time there was a 2021, actually not December, from maybe January. So at that
Okay.
time there was a discount. New 2021. So there was a discount like 50%. If I get 6 months, then I will get 50% discount. So maybe I have I have spent 5,000 or 6,000 rupees. I didn't.
6 months. 6 months.
Yeah, maybe
How many classes did you take? Did you take in a month?
four class,
Only
15,
four.
only four,
Okay.
15 minutes
Okay.
per week. There are several others. It is
Yes.
very, it is just a small, like then 30 minutes
Yes. Yes.
per week, two per week, three. But I chose just 15 minutes per week.
Okay. And how about you, Filipingo?
Yes,
Did
clapping
you
go.
join? Yes.
Yeah, Clappingo, I have joined for 1 month, and it is 650 rupees, and I got discount 100 rupees, so 550 rupees. Clapping.
Uh, in a month, four classes.
Yeah, fourth class, 20 minutes per week.
And any classes joined? Do you have any classes now?
Right now, I have just pursuing Cambly.
मतलब I think you will join again, Camly.
Yeah, no, I'm doing. I have been pursuing Cambly still on, and I have been thinking that I will join also in Clappingo. And
I'll I'll suggest you one side. You
yeah,
will join. You should try demo classes. You should take demo classes.
take
Uh, you should take demo classes Englishclass.com,
English,
Yari.com,
English, yeah.
Englishyari.com.
Okay.
It is not an app. It is online. You will
Wow.
search. You will search in Google
Uh,
Englishshari.com, and it is you can show on page, uh, and you will search tutors, demo classes, our subscription plan, and you will go to YouTube channel, and you will search Englishshari.com.
Okay, I will certainly do that.
Yes, yes. It is cheapest way. Like that, you can subscribe this EnglishGary.com. It is chargeable 799 rupees in a month, and you have to take class. I think 20 classes.
20 classes.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
And for each classes 25 to 30 minutes.
So thank you so much for suggesting this website.
Yes, yes. I have subscribed this site. Then
Yeah,
I call you.
yeah. Okay, I will certainly do that. That will
Yes, yes,
helpful for me.
yes, yes. It is the cheapest way. Not
Yeah.
much
Yeah.
Camely and go. Uh,
See. Yes.
uh, and it is free of cost. Take demo classes. Not
Mm,
pay 1 rupee and to any money.
okay. So, what is your plan for future?
In my future, I want to become a CA, and then after pandemic, I'll go to outside job.
Yeah. So, see, I think you have some definite or some clear cut ambition, but at the time when I was your age, at the time I didn't know what to do. I just go with the flow and take English honors, become did master degree in English honors, and then just applied for SSC, School Service Commission, and then I got. So that's it. So I have other dreams also to, like, I have a dream. Can I tell you my personal is that I sometimes I want to become the like, the guard or the driver of a train.
Okay,
I,
okay.
but it didn't appear on any railway exam. But I have always have a fascination to become a guard or to become at least TT.
Okay.
Ticket.
Uh,
So,
so you are not preparing SSC exam and railway exam.
no. I right now, see, I just I'm complacent, and it is also very. I have I'm become a teacher. Students love me. I will get respect, money, everything. I have a family, settled. I have settled, but
Okay.
Now I have been following my passion. Like I want to write something. I write some poetry. I have an inclination to write something. Then also I did some blogs in another YouTube channel, simply Tanmoy, that name. Did some blogs, sometimes a philosophical type of video, motivational type of video in my mother tongue, not in English, in my mother tongue. And
Okay.
also I did my whatever I want to do, just I do it. That's it. But I like to speak with like you or others youngsters. What have they
Yes.
want to do? It is like you are the first subscriber to whom I call you. And also another one is from also wanted to talk with me. Tomorrow I will talk
Uh,
talk with Montu. His name is Montu. And
yeah, I talked to them. I started learning English. Then I talked to Mantu.
yeah, he's from maybe Odisha, Kalahandi.
Yes, yeah. He lived in Kalahandi, Odisha.
Yeah.